Hello, myself Shivani Singh. I'm the career counselor of Max Manas. Today I'm going to explain few things on SAP EHS training. In this SAP EHS, we will cover from basics to advanced level of the training. In case if you are looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda what are the trainer is going to cover in this SAP EHS training video. So content of table. Let me read one by one that what the trainer is going to cover in this video. First one, introduction, features, course content, prerequisites, certification, job opportunities, top countries, job opportunities, top companies, why Tech Manas, our top clients, individual training benefits, corporate training benefits, conclusion, and the last one, contact us. So moving on to the first slide, we have introduction of SAP EHS. Let me read. It is an SAP module that is part of the logistics and deal with occupational health and safety in the software which was mainly developed to look after the occupational health and hygiene practices followed in the industry's business operation including the safety of employees and products effectively. It empowers the existing business process of the organization to integrate with the safety and health measures. It allows organization to be legally compliant and reduce costs and minimum risk simultaneously. Next slide we have features of SAP EHS. Let's read. There are four types of features: employee health and safety, product and reach compliance, product safety, environmental compliance management, and then additional the module offers advantage such as five types of advantage: sales transaction tracking, organized sales process, customization, real time scenario based learning, certification guidance. Moving on to the next, we have course content of SAP EHS. Four types of SAP EHS course content. First one, introduction to SAP EHS. Second, key functionalities. Third, key components of SAP EHS. And the last one, advantage, features, and applications. Next slide, we have prerequisites of SAP EHS. And here it is 5 types of prerequisites. Let me read for you one by one. First one, basic understanding of SAP systems. Familiarity with SAP software and its modules is recommended. Second, knowledge of environmental health and safety. In this, understanding of basic concepts in occupational health, safety, regulation, and environmental compliance. Third one, logistic understanding. In this, some knowledge of logistics process and operations with business. Fourth one, industry experience. In this, experience or background in industries where occupational health, safety, and environmental compliance are crucial. And the last one, computer proficiency. In this, basic computer skills and familiarity with software uses are necessary for navigating SAP EHS system effectively. So we have checked prerequisites of SAP EHS. Moving on to the next, we have certification of SAP EHS. And there are 3 types of certification. First one, certification coverage. In this, SAP EHS certification covers comprehensive knowledge and proficiency in occupational health and safety compliance management and environmental regulation within SAP systems. Second one, guidance and support. Training programs offers guidance and support to prepare for SAP EHS certification exams, including real-time scenario-based learning, study materials, and expert consultation. And the last one, recognition and validation. In this, obtaining SAP EHS certification validates expertise in the module, enhancing career prospects and credibility in the field of environmental health and safety management. Moving on to the next, we have job opportunities top countries. So these are the job opportunities top countries: United States, Canada, India, Australia, United Kingdom, Poland, and China. If you are searching for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I have already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 14,198 job opportunities across India. Among this, let's check what are the top most locations are. Here it is. Let's check. There are many types of location who are providing job opportunities for the SAP EHS. Bangalore, 3,446 vacancy. Delhi NCR, 2,800 Mumbai All Area, 2,620. Mumbai 2281, and many more like Hyderabad, Pune, Gurugram, Chennai, Noida, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, and many more. Vadodara also you can check on your Naukri platform also. Let's check what are the top companies they are providing. So there are many top companies who are providing for SAP EHS job opportunities like Accenture. There are 580 vacancy, IBM 156, Microsoft 41, Info is 30, Adidas, Nokia, VMware, VK Bio, Deloitte, Capgemini, Sun Pharma, and many more you can check on your Naukri platform. Let's see how much package they are offering, and it's a very important part also. Here it is. So they are offering crore in crore also, like 15 who all are ready to pay 1 to 5 crore, 32 who all are ready to pay 75 to 100 lakhs, 107 who all are ready to pay 50 to 75 lakhs, 608 who all are ready to pay 25 to 50 lakhs, 15 to 25 lakhs also, and many more you can check. If you are if you want to check departments what they are designation offering, please check like engineering, software, marketing, communication, sales and business development, human resources, UK design, and many more. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for the across job across the globe. And today there are 105 results and vacancy, and it's a very huge amount, so please check on your LinkedIn also. Let's go back to our main slide. We have already gone through all these top companies in Naukri as well as LinkedIn, and the name of the top countries we already got to see from all these job portals. Let's check job opportunities, top companies. Some companies are here also like Tata Capital, Merit, PNB, MetLife, IBM, Connect, and Infosys. Let's see why Tech Manus. Why choose Tech Manus for the training purpose? So let me tell you, Max Manus Institution is a 15 years old corporate training and project consulting company. If we have to talk about our Max Manus, we are one of the top technology training company in niche technology across India, USA, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Max Manus has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate training in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Australia, Israel, and Singapore, or say any other country name. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the name of the top clients for whom we have already provided SAP EHS framework training in India as well as outside India. Please have a look all the our top clients. Moving on to the next, we have individual training benefits. What are the individual training benefits from Tech Manus? So, and the benefits are customized training to individual in our main USP. Industry specific subject matter expert trainer for individual projects. Flexibility to select trainers and have live demonstration with trainer before the starting of the SAP EHS training. Each candidate will easily get to know the SAP EHS certification exam process in details. Like customization training to our individual is main USP. Implementation and configuration level of SAP EHS training, industry specific subject matter expert trainers for individual projects. SAP EHS training course completion certification and participation. Understand the SAP EHS training certification exam process. Next slide we have what are corporate training benefits. Customization of course content can be done as per the company project requirement. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of SAP EHS training. Tech Mahindra corporate training program helps employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training session, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Customization of course content as per company project requirement. We have already gone through these sentence. Our corporate training program helps employees to start working on project from day one after training completion. Right now, I have already told all these points also. Course completion certification to all the participants. Get flexibility to choose location, mode, and schedule for SAP EHS training corporate training courses. Next slide we have conclusion. On concluding today's session, I can say that SAP EHS course helps to build the presentation layer, add business logic, and control the flow of application in any organization. And for Tech Manis, I can proudly say we have industry specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirement for companies and for individual. This SAP EHS training will be a implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individual training, individual may not customize training as per their project requirement in most of the place, but arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individual is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that SAP EHS framework has great market job opportunities throughout the world. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level training. Course completion certificate, SAP EHS certification, tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All these options make us excellent and first choice for learning SAP EHS training course. So, SAP EHS training is an excellent enterprise analytics solution which helps organization enhance analytics process, improve productivity, and make better business decisions faster. Arranging one-to-one customized training for individual is our main USP. TechManus is best for customized implementation and configuration level of SAP EHS training. Next slide we have let's connect with us. It's very important topic. For any further information or if you want to enroll with us for SAP EHS training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maxmanus.com. and one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in SAP EHS, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full SAP EHS training session with Tech Menace. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.